Today we're at Rio Bravo School, home of the Gauchos, and we're here to... Well, we're back once again at Rio Bravo School. We've got some 5th grade students working on some math vocabulary and some problems to work on with those as well. So let's take a look at the words we have in blue. Okay, even. Are you all hands shot up fast on that one, huh? All right. What can you tell me about even?
Even is like 2, 4, 6, 8.
Okay.
It's like numbers that other numbers can go into, and it's like they're even.
They're divisible by 2. They're always a pair. What about odd? Do you know odd? Are you odd? I'm only kidding. What can you tell me about odd as far as math goes?
All these numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7.
Okay. And what's the difference between, because even odd?
It can't be multiplied by 2.
Okay. What about square numbers? Have you guys ever heard of square numbers?
Yeah.
Yes.
I think it's the number 2. I don't know.
Well, you can use a 2, and a 2 is used as an exponent. You guys know what exponents are?
Yes.
Okay. So what else? Anything else about square numbers?
It's like a square unit. It's like kind of like an area and perimeter.
Right, you will use it in area. If I did this, if I said 5 times 5, what is that?
25.
It's 25. Have you ever seen it written like this?
Yeah.
Yes.
Right, there's your exponent too, so you have 5 squared, 5 to the 2nd power, right? So the number 25 is a square number. Can you think of another square number?
12.
What 2 numbers, because the numbers have to be the same. You're close.
I know it.
If I go 3 times 3, what is that?
9.
9. So is 9 a square number? Yes, because it's 3 squared, 3 times 3. What about 16? Is that square?
Yeah.
It is, right? Because it's 4 times 4. So we've got the idea of square numbers.
Yeah.
Okay, because sometimes it gets confusing. People add them sometimes, right? So we have to multiply the same number. A palindrome. I think I might have you on this one. Any idea what a palindrome is?
I've never heard of one.
Same frontwards and backwards. Here's one that you might see in writing. What does that say?
Mom.
What does it say when you read it backwards?
And swims would be
Smith whistle?
swims.
Upside down it's the same.
Oh.
But anyway, a palindromic number is one that is the same frontwards and backwards. If I do this, 2002, isn't it the same going both ways?
Yes.
Okay, so that's a palindromic number. All right, so now let's take a look at our paper again. Now we did the sum of the digits is 11. We know that, right? We know it's 2019. The next one says the number is palindromic. So what will be the next year that comes up where the number will look the same either way you read it? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Write it down, see what you think. Now remember, it's got to be the same going forward and backward.
Would we have to add years, or can we
Nope, just like that. Well, we're going to go after 2019, right? We want to know the next year this will come up. Now, if I did this, if I said next year, 2020, does it read the same way going backward?
No.
No, because then it's 0202 instead of 2020, right? So think about that. When is the next year that we will have a palindromic year? You think you've got it?
30.
3003. We will have a palindromic year then, but see if there's one before that. I don't want to wait that long.
2022.
2000?
That's going to be a long time from now. Let's keep it to 4 numbers, okay?
Okay.
It's going to be in the 2000s, I'll tell you that. Okay. Now, here's another thing you can do. All right. Take a look at the next one. The number is made of only prime digits. Now, we know what prime numbers are, right?
Yeah.
So when is the next year that it will only be prime numbers in it? You think you've got it?
I think it's 3033.
Close. But we're going to have one before that.
Is it 2020?
Well, you've got prime digits, right? And what did you have?
Oh,
What did you just write? You just had it, I think.
2,222.
Right, in the year 2222, that's the lowest prime number is 2, right? So there you go. So we'll keep working on some of these, the 5th grade students at Rio Bravo School.